Failure is an asset. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something you don't hear often enough. Failure is not your enemy. Failure is your asset. In a world that glorifies crowns, achievements, and titles, I urge you today, don't just respect the crown, respect the scars. Because every scar has a story, and every failure holds a lesson wrapped in pain, persistence, and purpose. Before you cancel someone, before you judge or dismiss, ask yourself, have you failed enough? Have you fallen, been broken, disappointed, embarrassed, and yet risen again? We must begin to respect failure just as much as we respect success. Why? Because success shines, but failure shapes. Success may open doors, but failure teaches you how to walk through them with wisdom. Don't throw your failure away. Archive it. Save it, study it, honor it. Because in the right hands, failure becomes power. In the right heart, failure becomes fuel. Don't just applaud those who have conquered. Also, listen to those who have endured. There's wisdom in the wounds, there's strength in survival. You must learn from the king, yes, but also learn from the slave in the palace. The king may rule the throne, but the slave who sweeps the floor sees everything. There's knowledge in the unnoticed, truth in the overlooked. So today, if you failed, good, you're in the right place. Because that failure, that's your asset. Use it, learn from it, respect it, and rise. Thank you.